Careful. Yep.
Oh,
oh yeah.
Ooh.
Good morning. My dad is still here, and today we are going to go to 406 Garage where he has not been before, because we're picking up a truck to put on this truck that I'm delivering up to Portland area tomorrow. We're going over the mountain, snow and all that. So today we're getting some stuff ready. Then we're going to go up to 406 Garage. You're going to get to see it for the first time.
Yes, I am.
You guys get to see it again. So let's do stuff.
Let's go.
So yeah, just point the camera at him and talk. It's like
Told me to.
So we got our J hooks in the mail. These are not your average J hooks. So when you see me tie down heavy equipment with these, they're rated for it. Working load limit, 7,100 pounds, and they're sized for 3/8 chain, not 5/16 like your average J hooks. If you look back here on the end of my winch line, I have a bridle that has grade 100 3/8 chains with that same size of J hook on it. That's why I can use these to pull with this big winch, and everything's okay. Now granted, that is a 25,000 pound winch. What's 7,100 times 2?
14.2.
See, he's quick. Okay, so that winch is rated for more than those J hooks paired up, but it's also rated for more than that cable is anyway, so it's fine. Just like use your brain a bit. Short ones. What I think I'm gonna do. It is cold, by the way. The thermometers and everything is saying 34, but everything is frozen solid, all the waters and all that stuff, so I think it's less than 34. Why do I not have? Oh, shit. Oh, speaking of getting stuff in the mail, hold on a sec. Hold on, give me that. We're going for a walk. Whoever sent me an entire flat of monsters, thank you. This is great fan mail. It will come in very handy on these long winter nights that we're having. I know you want one too.
Well, yeah.
So, thank you. You put the link in here, you put the cross pin in from this side, and then this pin goes in this way and locks it in place. Ow. There. So now that pin is across there, locks the big pin in place, and you've got 3/8 J hook. Now granted, this is grade 70 chain, not grade 100, so it's only rated to 6,600 pounds. So this 6,600 pounds is the rating of our whole assembly. Okay, now we're just gonna do that 3 more times and we're done. So you can shut the camera off because they just saw that one. So I should probably tell you that I get all this type of stuff from MyTee Products. There's a link to that in the description below. It's not a sponsor. They don't give me this stuff. I do have to pay full price for it. But that link is an affiliate link, so then if you go pay full price too, I get a little kickback. And this isn't stuff I use just because they gave me an affiliate link. When I had the heavy haul company before, it had way more chains and binders than this. That's where I got all my chains, binders, straps, rigging, all that type of stuff. So it's just where I still do, and now they gave me an affiliate link, so that's handy. So that's in the description below if you need this type of stuff. Would you like a Chevy truck that hit a deer?
No. That's a deer?
Would you like a Cadillac? Yeah, our deer are bigger than yours. Would you like a Cadillac?
No. It's a trailer.
Would you like an old International?
No thanks. Not right now.
Would you like that truck? Everything is for sale.
Everything.
Yeah, all of it. Except that one and that one. Basically, if it's on this side of the shop, you can't touch it.
Okay.
But all that stuff, you can have it.
Well,
if you pay.
Yeah. Okay.
Hi. That's Lucy. Well, good morning, sunshine.
You brought the ocean inspector with you?
Yes.
Right.
Yeah, you're so screwed.
Oh man.
This is a tripping hazard. This is a tripping hazard, not the cord.
I thought everything
the dog.
was going to be okay.
Oh, look who gets to park inside now.
Yeah. Costs more than the house, you know, so.
So here's the problem with posting a video of hauling firewood for someone with a truck like that.
No,
now everybody else wants to haul firewood. So
they range from this size to this size.
So we're gonna go haul logs next.
Be a log hauler.
Yeah, not next, but
One of some point.
it's coming.
Yeah. Stay tuned.
guess that's the one I'm taking. Well, I guess he's ready for me to like put the bed down and stuff. Here you go. There's my microphone.
Thought he was done. Perfect.
Yeah! Slinky style. Get a steel bed, they say.
Yeah.
Works out good.
Nailed it.
Good one. There you go.
We'll just pretend I did that every time.
Ooh.
Didn't I? I don't even have to look.
On the other side of the tire, too.
Yeah,
Perfect.
I didn't even look. I know that one did yet. I heard it.
So.
Look at that. What's that game? Shuffleboard?
Yeah, you'd be good at that.
I'm not. That's the problem.
The rest are white. You have one red lens.
I never noticed that.
It's the same lens that you have on the side caps.
It would not be that bad if they put it in the middle.
No,
It
no.
wouldn't be that bad at all. Wouldn't
Exactly.
be nearly
That's
as
all.
bad.
I'm not going to buy a new one. I'm just going to put it in
Just
the
put it in the middle. That a boy. I like
It'll look
that.
like a
Yeah.
Cyclops.
Yeah, they were good.
It's a What's wrong with the Cyclops?
You don't have to run the toe plate on the back, just the
It is. It's up there.
Okay, here we go.
What?
The
on this side.
Quit!
It's
Stop!
red.
I'm leaving.
right, but the one on this side is clear. So all you got to do is put this red one over here.
Oh, you're
swap
solving
this-
problems, not pointing out more.
No,
Yeah, no,
you
he's
swap
sol-
this
he's
one
solving.
over here, and you're good.
Oh, there we go.
You don't have to buy any
Who the hell did that? That's my question.
So, Ben was joking, saying this truck needed a 406
joking, I was
garage
dead
sticker.
serious.
Well, he was serious.
Casey thought I was kidding.
But he said there's a problem because there's also old sticker glue left on here that I can get off. I told him, you get it off, you put a sticker on there.
Challenge accepted.
He's got a sticker.
Not my first rodeo. You challenged me to a simple task like that. Okay, how do you want it in the corner
No,
down there?
hey, you're not your first rodeo. You put it where it should go.
Well, I don't want to block your vision.
Put it on the windshield. I don't care.
Where everybody sees it.
I think it's crooked. It was not. Hold on. Hey, internet.
Don't, no,
Is that,
just don't.
is that crooked or no?
Just don't. Just don't.
No, I think it's crooked the other way.
Man's crooked.
No, it's fine. It's not as crooked as your Cascade Heavy Rescue sticker is.
I don't want to talk to you anymore.
Yeah, I can see that.
It's got a little.
So I purposely had a logo design that had a curve to everything, so that no matter what, nothing is square.
You have to tell yourself is fine.
That was intentional. There is no square in that.
Since this is an international harvester, we can put the Fort Wayne, Indiana employee permit.
You just
sticker
want
on
the
other
keys
side.
too, and you can put all kinds of
Yeah.
stickers on here.
I got one more sticker. We'll put on the other side.
So hold on. You're all about gotta get that sticker off right away, get a new sticker on, blah 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 blah. But you're still rocking the truck. Look it up. He hasn't changed that yet.
Throw the tire, the valve stems back.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I aired it up with the compressor. It aired right up and then it came right back out.
So international fridge, and you got
Not
a new.
international. Look at this.
Not? Oh, Frigidaire. How old is this thing?
1951.
And it works?
I don't know. We haven't plugged it in
Yeah,
yet.
look at that cord.
Check out the cord that's
You
been
don't want to plug that thing in.
had some issues.
I would
And
plug
there's-
that in all day long.
And then it's got like the wire tie right there. So we're gonna.
I'm not scared.
I know we're gonna.
It's your shop, not mine.
We're gonna do something with that.
I am not scared of electricity. Let's do
Great.
this. Ooh.
Yeah.
Really? Really? You're
That'll
not scared of
hold.
that?
That's what electrical. It's got electrical tape on it. You know, hey, electrical guy, what is electrical tape rated for?
A lot.
See, a lot. We're good.
I'm not worried about the electrical tape.
lot of it.
I'm worried about the bare wires that the mouse chewed right there.
Sounds like you just need some more electrical tape.
Yeah, look.
No, why not just put a whole new wire on?
And then tape it. It ain't gonna do no good if bear touching bear. Somebody's not gonna like this.
That awesome bickering piece.
Yeah, that would have been good to have that on the camera. Then they would have believed you're his true father. I
What
am
in
your
the-
father.
Do you have like WD-40 or
You know what we
anything?
need?
have
We
better
need to
sequel.
hold the flashlight moment.
Yeah, it went from, hold my flashlight to Dad, hold my camera. Things have changed.
Things have changed. Ugh.
Oh, I should probably explain what we're doing. Ben's wood splitter has a broken valve stem on it, and I happen to have a whole Morrflate kit, link in the description, that has valve stems and everything we need to fix this. We just got to get it off the bead first with this dry. Thanks. Some tire guys on here are losing their mind right now. They're like, how long has this tire been flat and in this position?
That long?
As it's 20 degrees outside and the rubber's solid hard like that. Oh wait, he was just talking about my maintenance program?
Easy. 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 Take it easy. Careful.
You know who else is screaming right now? The Morrflate guys, because they make a kit that you could also find in the link in the description.
It does this whole job.
That does
for
the valve stem repair from the outside of the rim without having to take the tire off, but I do not have that, so we're doing it the
I feel like that's
the wrong way.
the next investment.
Yeah, I should probably get that.
Yes,
Where did
I
you
have.
even get this, out of a toy box?
I didn't even know they made pry bars
Oh
that
my
small.
God! Here we go.
Take your pick.
There we go. That a boy. Oh yeah.
Yep.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Ooh.
There's the first little one.
Yeah.
There's always a couple little ones before the big one.
That was a warning shot. That's what that was.
Now you need something to
feel
hold
like
that
they're
way
really-
you get a different bite.
Really close right
Yeah.
there.
Let's both just pry and pull and fling stuff all over while the other's also doing it.
Oh dear.
That'll work. If you wonder why we're not taking the tire off, there's no lug nuts on this thing. This is dumb.
Put a little bit of that lube down there on the rim.
Yeah, hold on. Do that. Spray some of that in there.
Just on the rim, not on the tire. Right at the edge.
Yeah, right there.
There we go.
Perfect. Okay, now pull that off and it goes back over that. When it gets in there.
There we go. Oh, it did get smoother. Look at that.
I was gonna push against your wrench, but.
Oh,
The valve
look,
would
you
be
can
going
see
back
it.
into there.
You can see that valve stem right there.
Yeah, right there.
Okay, now do
Yeah, get another C-clamp
Right.
on there.
here. Need to push back.
That little one down in that hole you got already.
There we go.
There you go.
There she is.
There
Okay,
we
now
go.
who's gonna stick their finger in there and get that out? Okay.
Need
All
some
right,
side
take that out.
cutters.
I got this. One of you get a pair of pliers and pull that out of there.
Or side cutters.
From
Hey.
the back.
Look at, there's a pair of pliers in this handy dandy Morrflate tire repair kit.
Take
Oh,
your-
you're
take
you're
your-
going in like danger zone right now. You get whacked in the face. Okay, now pull the other
Perfect.
side out from that end. Okay, now grab that valve stem that I have sitting there.
Right here.
Let's play Twister in Ben's shop. Okay, now I'll take the cap off.
Cap is on.
No, don't do that. Take the cap off. Give it a little squirt back there.
Perfect.
Okay, now pull it in there. Wiggle it. There you go.
There you go.
Okay. All right.
All right, now reverse C-clamp it.
Oh, there's a spider running across.
We're talking about blowing a tire almost flaming. He freaks out about the spider.
Well, I'm okay with fire and explosion. Spiders scare me. You might need a little more air.
Boom!
Yeah. Do you have like a pressure gauge?
Yeah, geez.
Yeah, that's good right there.
Did you hear it?
Yeah. When it starts squeaking.
Do you have a No. We just go ahead and wing it.
Hey, I feel like
We got something done.
You now have to go on the link in my description and get your own Morrflate tire repair kit so I can get an affiliate kick out of this deal.
Yeah. So I can make it worth your while for coming
Yeah.
here. Wait, I got you a deal to haul a truck you're getting paid for. You're being paid to be here anyway.
No. I got paid to load that truck out there. I'm not being paid to be in here.
You're paid to be here in general.
I got him on that one, huh?
Yeah, well, there you go.
All right, well, we're all done. We got truck loaded. We got a tire fixed. We got a bunch of BSing done. And now we are headed home. He is home. And tomorrow I'm going to take that to Portland. And see you guys then.
Later.
I knew it every time.
Yeah.
If you point the camera at him, he talks.
It goes like that.
See you on the next one.